Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Brother Devin, aka Haru Asar, aka Tiger 416, also known as Dr. Harmony. And I'm just coming on here to give you guys a real quick update. I have so I have I have 3 lectures in the works coming for you guys on this channel, and then after these 3 lectures, um, I'm going to be taking a very long break from teaching for a while because I don't have the support that I need from family members and friends. Um, one of my friends said he didn't know what I was talking about, and not that I don't know what I'm saying. Um, it's just I really don't have the energy to teach right now. My I gotta get my strength for teaching back. I don't have it. I mean, I have a little bit of energy left, but I'm saving that for the weekday, and then plus it's the holidays, so it's gonna be kind of hard for me to teach anything while there's uh celebration going on. You know what I mean? And you guys are gonna have to forgive me because um I just ate dinner and I'm just a little bit discombobulated. Okay, so that's why I may not sound as energetic as I normally would be. Okay. Another thing is I don't want to say too much. I don't want to say. I don't want to give away. I don't want. Excuse me. Sorry about that. I don't want to. I don't want to give away too much. But what I will say is this. Um, I know that in one of my previous videos, I told you that I was going to become an ancient Egyptian priest. Well, someone in my corner um convinced me that I'm only going to do two decades of my comedic leadership, and become that's going from a prince to a king. So for 2 decades, I'm gonna become an ancient Egyptian prince and a king. Okay, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna do the whole priesthood thing because then it's gonna seem like I'm forcing people to be something they don't want to be. Um, but I will say this though. If the information that I'm giving you resonates with you, congratulations. If it doesn't, congratulations with that as well. You know, everything is not for everyone. But yeah, I'm not going to become a comedic priest. I'm just going to become a comedic prince and king. Okay, and then after my years of becoming a king, um, I'm going back into the Starseed world. Okay, um, I I gotta keep it real, man. I miss being a Starseed. You know. Um. Yeah. So I'm only doing comedic teaching in spirituality for 2 decades, and then after them decades is over, um, I'm going to move on and I'm going to move on to more galactic stuff. Okay, I want to rep Sirius to the fullest. Shout out to all my Syrian Starseeds out there. But yeah, man. So that was one of the things I wanted to tell you. The other thing is, my 42 ideas of my art lecture, um, is is coming sometime this week. I don't have a specific day as of yet. Um, I'm just gonna I'm just gonna do it randomly, and then once I got all my information down packed and everything, um, once I got my information down packed and everything, I'm just gonna upload parts one and part two to YouTube, and then upload my my princehood, my kingship, and my priesthood video, and then after I upload them three videos, um, I'm not gonna be teaching for a while. Okay, I'm not gonna be teaching anything spiritual for a while. I'm just gonna live it. You know what I'm saying? Um, because um, okay, I'm not gonna say this person's name, but let's just say I I reconnected with my twin flame, and the thing is, I want to go home to my twin flame. I want to start a family with her, okay? And like I said, right now I just have the energy for my family and myself. You know what I'm saying? I and okay, my my family, myself, my music, and gaming. That's all I got the energy for. All the spiritual education that's gonna wait. That's gonna be put on hold. Excuse me. But yeah. Anyway, um, yeah. So after the 42 laws of my art lecture, and how to be a prince, king and priest lecture. That's it. That's it. I'm not doing no more. I'm not doing no more lectures after I put them three videos up. Okay, no more lectures for a while. When I have the fire to teach again, I'll let y'all know. But until then, I need a break. You know what I'm saying? So um yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Okay. Um, it's your man, Brother Devin, aka Tiger4161 on YouTube, aka Heru Asar, also known as Dr. Harmony and Davy Hawkins, and I'm out. See ya. Peace.